Okay, so this question is from Riok Baker, and they're asking me, is it easy to get started on Amazon? So thanks for watching this channel, Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online. Make sure to subscribe to this video and ask me any of your own questions in the comment spots below. But talking about Amazon, is it easy to get set up on Amazon? So I can only talk from my own experiences, and with my own experiences of selling on Amazon, I've only ever sold t-shirts and clothing through Amazon using the Merch by Amazon program. I assume that's what Riok is referring to because I normally talk about Merch by Amazon through my channel. So I can only talk about Merch by Amazon. If you're looking to get set up on Amazon FBA or becoming like a Kindle bookseller, I can't help you there. You're gonna have to look for other YouTubers. But Merch by Amazon, I can 100% say yes, it's very easy to get set up on Amazon with Merch by Amazon. It's going to be a nice short video. I'm just going to give you the steps to get set up on Amazon. It's like 1 or 2 steps. Google Merch by Amazon in Google to find the Merch by Amazon landing page. I'll even go one step further and I'll put the link to that landing page in the description to this video. When you're on the Merch by Amazon landing page, you need to click request access or request account, something like that. There's a button on that website, request approval, and then there's going to be a page that comes up asking you a few questions, like 1 or 2 questions saying why do you want to join the Merch by Amazon program. Fill those in and then press submit, and then it will take a few days, a week, maybe a couple of weeks for Amazon to get back to you. And if you've basically said the right things to Amazon so that you've given them what they're looking for, you'll be accepted onto the Merch by Amazon program, and you'll be able to start selling t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, all of that stuff through Amazon super easily. And then once you're on the Merch by Amazon program, they'll do all of the printing of the clothing for you and they'll mail the clothing for you too. All you have to do is set up the designs, send the designs to Amazon, and they'll take care of the rest. So go to the Merch by Amazon website, fill in the details, and then send your designs into Amazon once you've been accepted onto the Merch by Amazon program. It's as easy as that. And I'd go one further. If you want to learn how to go from stage 1 of Merch by Amazon to a much further stage, get your first few t-shirts, you can go to my website, startingup.com/Merch by Amazon. Pop your email address in there and I'll send you a free 14-page PDF telling you step by step how to get your first sales on Merch by Amazon and to progress to the higher levels. So I hope that's helped. Make sure to leave your own questions in the comment spots below, and I'll see you very soon. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comment spots below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips for selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.